Hello kids, today we are going to draw a cute little bird. First, let's draw the head. For that, draw a circle. Then, for the eyes, draw a small circle and a dot inside the circle. For the beak, draw a small triangle shape. Then, draw feathers on the head. For the body, from the right side of the head, draw a curve. Then, from the left side, draw a rounded curve and connect it to the curve. In the middle of the body, draw two curves for the wing. Join the ends by connected curves. Then for the tail, draw a long curve. Then draw connected curves for the feathers and join it back to the body. Under the body, draw two thin legs and add 3 tiny toes on each leg. Choose your favorite colors and start coloring. First, color the beak. Next, color the head. Choose a bright color and start coloring the head. Draw the borders first and then fill inside. Next, color the feather on the head. Then, color the body. Next, color the wing and the tail. Our cute bird is ready. If you enjoyed the video, click on the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy drawings. Thank you.